All About Alliteration, the sound of success in speech. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of sound devices in literature. One of the most popular and playful of these devices is alliteration. Let's uncover the beauty and benefits of this technique. Alliteration is the repetition of the same initial consonant sounds in a series of words, usually placed closely together in a sentence or phrase. This creates a rhythm and can make phrases more memorable. Think of famous brand names like Coca-Cola or tongue twisters like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. The repeated sound grabs your attention, right? 1. Attention grabbing. As mentioned, alliteration makes statements and titles stand out. It's often used in brand names, slogans, and titles for this reason. 2. Creates rhythm. In poetry and prose, alliteration adds a beat or rhythm to the lines. This can make the writing sound musical. 3. Memorability. Phrases using alliteration are often easier to remember. This is why they're commonly used in tongue twisters. 1. In poetry. Robert Frost's "Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening" has the line, "Whose woods these are I think I know." 2. In prose. J.K. Rowling uses it in the Harry Potter series with character names like Severus Snape. 3. In brands. Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal, and Best Buy. 4. In sayings. Better late than never. Want to try your hand at alliteration? Here's how. 1. Pick a letter. Choose a consonant that you want to focus on. 2. List words. List down words starting with that consonant. 3. Create a phrase or sentence. Try forming a catchy phrase or sentence using those words. Remember, the closer the words are to each other, the stronger the alliterative effect. Alliteration is a powerful sound device that not only makes language sound beautiful but also aids in memory and attention. Now that you know about it, listen out for alliteration in your daily life, and maybe even try crafting some of your own. Until next time, keep exploring the richness of the English language. Happy learning!